country also that adores PRRD. He's still a mythical figure in Philippine politics, no, in Philippine life. He's no longer just a former president. He's almost like a god. He's a demigod for a lot of Filipinos. And the Marcoses, Bongbong Marcos doing this to him has cemented PRRD's status in Philippine history. No? So, and it has made him even more formidable. And what has it done to Bongbong Marcos? Zero. Bumagsak
Mhm.
siya, no? And the only thing that can redeem him, no, Bongbong Marcos, is if he returns PRRD. Any fool will tell you that, except that these are really very stupid people surrounded by the CPP, the oligarchs, the deep state, and there is no principle, wala silang prinsipyo guiding them, no moral compass guiding them, 'di ba? So para silang maliit na bangka sa ocean na may bagyo, madali silang masira, madali silang i-toss and turn at sumusunod kahit na kanino. So kasi kung ikaw isang pangulo, kunyari tinamaan siya by some miracle na mahal niya ang Pilipinas ngayon, iuuwi niya si Digong, makikinig siya sa Pilipino. Kaso hindi siya nakikinig eh, 'di ba? So this is
Mhm.
his downfall. In fact, you know what, no? I believe that he's politically dead. Marcos is no longer a factor. He's no longer a factor talaga.